Yes, sir. It's about that time, man. Galaxy, Samsung S23 Ultra. I'm excited, man. I haven't had an Android phone in like years. But anyways, YouTube, what's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B, and we back in this mode with another video, man. As you guys see, man, we do have the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra here, man. We already done some unboxing a little bit here. I'm excited to use this, man. I'm a huge iPhone fan. Like, I haven't used a Galaxy since like 2013, man. I still actually own my S23, but I don't use it as like a daily carry. Like, I usually use my iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I absolutely love, by the way. But today we're gonna switch it up, man. We're gonna be trying out the Galaxy. So right out of the box, man, we're presented with the phone itself here. Now the phone is right here. Now this is a fairly big phone, as you guys see, man. This thing is pretty huge. Like, this is first look, first impression, man. It got you got your 3 big modular cameras on the back. Actually, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 cameras on the back, man. You got your flash as well, man. That's a lot of cameras. I'm expecting some good quality now. I always said this, that the Android phones, they always had like the best picture quality when it comes to like taking photos and things of that nature. That's the reason why I actually ended up getting the Galaxy S6 when it first came out, because of the picture quality. Like, the iPhones is big on like the FaceTime and things of that nature and the whole ecosystem, but Samsung usually comes on top when it comes to like taking photos and things of that nature. Y'all comment down below. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below about that, man. I know it's like a controversial topic there, but are you team iPhone or team Android? Let me know down below in the comments, man. I'm always down there showing love. But anyways, man, first impressions. I got the all black version here. It looks dope to me. It looks dope. At the bottom, as you guys see here, you got your USB Type-C right there, as well as some speaker cutouts. And this also comes with a pen, if I'm not mistaken, which is pulled out from right here. Pretty dope, man. See, iPhone, why can't you include a pen with the phone unboxing, man? Come on, step your game up. And that's what I love about Samsung, man. They always go above and beyond when it comes to like products and things of that nature, man. With the iPhone, only thing you get is the charge. You don't even get the block that supposedly come with it. You know what I'm saying? They stopped doing that a long time ago. And here we got this box right here. I'm assuming we got cables in here. So let me check. Yeah, so we got the cable and a key, I guess, for the SIM card use. Hopefully it is eSIM, but we shall see. We shall see. All right, so like I said, man, you do got your USB Type-C cable here. Pretty typical USB Type-C cable, man. And that's pretty much it, man. That's all you get straight out the box. You got some manuals as well if you guys are into like reading that. You got your little quick start guide and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. And like I said, you got the key for your SIM. Let's peel this thing off right now, man. Let's put the sticker off here. Let's do a first boot up of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I don't know, do they call it a Galaxy? I'm not even 100% sure. I just keep saying Galaxy. The Samsung S23 Ultra here, man. First look, first impressions of the phone. Like I said, it's a cold look, man. This will look very dope, especially with a all black case. Me personally, I love the all black theme, man. Like I said, you got your power buttons and stuff like that on this side right here. The phone is actually pretty slim, a lot slimmer than what I thought it was gonna actually be. I'd say this is about the same width as the iPhone 14 Pro. Let's go ahead and do a first boot up here. Hopefully we don't have to charge it. We might have to charge it though. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, Samsung Galaxy. So it is a Samsung Galaxy. Powered by Android, secured by Knox, man. I'm gonna take a quick look at that right there. Pretty dope phone, man. I'm like, I really want to try out this pen. I want to see how accurate it is. Let's try using the pen here, man. So it says welcome, start. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, okay. So you get like a you get like a little bubble, a little circle indicator that shows exactly where you at on the screen. So that's pretty dope. So you can actually see what you're doing before you even get super close to the screen or even tap on the screen. So can't connect to pin. Let's see if you do that. Boom. Insert a SIM card to connect to. Hey, we don't have a SIM card, so I'm assuming for your review. Let me see. We're gonna agree all this. Agree to all. We ain't even read. Make sure y'all guys read that. You know what I'm saying? We ain't read it. This is a quick unboxing, first impression, first look of the S23 Ultra. How do y'all like the Ultra? If you already have the Ultra, I know they got some cheaper models as well. Let me know how those are holding up for you if you have one of those cheaper models. I wouldn't say cheap because they still $800. That's still pretty expensive for a phone in general. So set up using another device. Let's skip this right here. We can skip the network here for the time being. First look, first impressions of the S23 Ultra. The pen is fairly fluent, like it's like not buggy at all. For me personally, y'all let me know, have y'all had any issues with your pen working? But right now it's fairly smooth. So the screen display is fairly wide. Now you do got your front camera, it's a circle cutout right there. You do got a front camera circle cutout right there. For those who, it's not even in the way though. So it's still a pretty dope, seamless look. Now one thing I must note, I do like the full screen size. Like I actually love that, man. The buttons are all at the bottom, easy to access here. You got your button right here to pop up all your apps if just in case you want to get rid of any. You got your home button here. I'm assuming that's what that is. Yeah, that's your home button. See, iPhone don't even have a home button. That's what's crazy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But anyways, man, you got your weather. You can add your weather app if you would like to do so. Now, I honestly believe a lot of people gravitate towards like Samsung phones just due to the fact that you can literally customize each and everything on your particular device, man. I feel like it's more customization tools. Yeah, this is pretty smooth, man. Like, look at this. So you swipe up and you got all your apps right here. You got your YouTube right there. We definitely gonna check that out. And if you swipe down, you get all your notifications. I like this. This is very dope. Then with the iPhone, you gotta literally come all the way up to the top and swipe. You can't just swipe down because it doesn't work like that. So this is actually dope and fluent, man. I feel like a lot of people gravitate towards the Galaxy phones, the Androids, just due to the fact of the customization, how seamless it is to use the phone itself, man. So y'all get in the comments and let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below. Are y'all team iPhone or team Android, man? I'm curious to see what you guys have to say down below in the comments, man. Me personally, I always love the way that you can customize a Android, a Galaxy phone to your particular liking. You're not really held back by any constraints that like the iPhone has, man. But we do got to give the iPhone the upper edge, especially when it comes to the apps, the App Store. I feel like Apple, if I'm not mistaken, I believe iPhone have the most apps. They got more apps than Androids. Correct me if I'm wrong down below in the comments, but I honestly believe the Apple Store got more apps than the Android store. There you guys go, man. The Samsung Galaxy S23, man. Very dope and unique phone, man. We do need to check out this camera as well, man. If y'all want a full depth and video about the camera, because I believe that's like one of the main reasons people probably gravitate towards the Galaxy phones as well, just due to the camera, man. The camera is actually crazy, man. So you guys go, man, closer look at the camera, man. You got your photo mode. They got portrait mode as well, which is my favorite mode on every device. Got video, and let's see what they got on more. So you got slow motion, hyperlapse, single take, portrait video. So they got a whole bunch of different modes that you can use. Pro video, you got panorama, a whole bunch of different modes you can select and choose from. They also got the different lenses as well. So you got your 0.6 and go all the way up to 20x. So you got a quite zoom range here. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the Galaxy has a more in zoom range than the actual iPhone. So that's something to take in consideration if you're deciding to choose between the two of the phones, especially if you're a camera freak or a camera nerd, man. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video, man. Like I said, if you guys want a more in-depth video or a comparison between the Galaxy S23 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max, man, I got y'all here over here on the channel, man. Be sure to hit that sub button so you don't miss these bangers, man. Samsung Galaxy S23, it got a whole bunch of cameras on the back. and I really want to test it out, man. So you guys let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below, man. Are you team Android? Are you team iPhone? Do you currently have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or the Samsung Galaxy S23 in general? I know they got like a couple different versions here, like I said, man, but this is just a particular Ultra version right here that I'm currently rocking. So yeah, man, and like I said, this pen is fairly fluent. I like that it comes with extra accessories. You don't have to go purchase it. It's not something that you know what I'm saying? Like, I like how Android includes everything that you need when it comes to purchasing products for them. Now, they didn't include no block or anything of that nature. The Galaxy S23 Ultra do allow you to use 2 different types of SIM cards, which is actually unique, man. I wish Apple provided that type of customization, man. So you get to use the physical SIM, or you can also have the option to use the eSIM, man. So yeah, you get the best of both worlds, man. That's what I really like about the Android phones, man. You get that customization, that personalization, as I was referring to earlier, man. So great job, Samsung, for allowing people to swap out SIM cards the physical way or electronically. So big shout out to Samsung for that. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, man. Y'all get in the comments and let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below. Are you currently rocking one of these brand new Galaxy phones, man? Like I said, I think they got like 3 different models, so if I'm not mistaken, this right here is just the Ultra. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below, man. I'm gonna spend some more time with this phone and give y'all a more in-depth video, especially with the camera and the video quality, and as well do some comparisons with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, man. See who comes on top, which camera performs the best, the videos as well, man. So anyways, man, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, sub up so you don't miss those upcoming videos, those bangers. Speaking of bangers, be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen, because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man.